In this video, we'll explore some of the most innovative power tools and gadgets available on Amazon for 2024. From AI-powered robotic sweepers to high-tech portable compressors, these devices are designed to make your tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. The links are in the description. The Pudu MT1 is an AI-powered robotic sweeper that excels in large-scale cleaning. Equipped with dual-disc brushes, it tackles everything from large debris like leaves to fine dust particles, ensuring thorough cleanliness. The MT1 features an intelligent filtration system to trap particles and prevent secondary pollution. Capable of covering 100,000 square meters, this sweeper is perfect for professional-grade cleaning. With AI cameras that identify various types of trash in real time and LiDAR positioning, it efficiently navigates complex environments. The extendable steering handle allows manual intervention when needed, and the MT1 operates around the clock, making it an excellent tool for continuous automated cleaning. Next is the DEPSTECH articulating endoscope, a fantastic tool for inspecting tight spaces like pipes, walls, and ceilings. The two-way articulating probe provides a 210-degree viewing angle, making it easy to see even in the most challenging areas. Its metal gooseneck cable can be bent into various shapes, providing extra flexibility and control. The 5-inch IPS True Color display ensures clear, vivid images, while the intelligent high-temperature protection extends the camera's lifespan by automatically shutting it off if it overheats. The 3,350 mAh battery allows for 3.5 hours of continuous use, making this tool a reliable option for thorough inspections. The Rokrou Cordless Tree Pruner is a powerful tool designed for precision pruning. Its strong blade can cut through branches up to 1.5 inches thick without damaging the plants, promoting healthier growth. Powered by 2 rechargeable batteries, it offers up to 4 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Safety features help reduce the risk of accidents, making it ideal for use in gardens, parks, and orchards. For outdoor cleaning tasks, the RYOBI 3000 PSI electric pressure washer is an excellent choice. With a brushless motor and a 5-in-1 nozzle, it provides a powerful, efficient clean for driveways, patios, siding, and more. Its 35 feet high-pressure hose gives you plenty of reach, and the onboard detergent tank makes it easy to apply soap for deeper cleaning. The flat-free wheels and hand truck frame ensure easy transport, making it a versatile tool for any home or business. The STANLEY FATMAX TradeLift is an indispensable tool for jobs requiring lifting, leveling, and holding heavy objects up to 150 kilograms. Whether you're working alone or need a helping hand for projects like installing doors, windows, or cabinets, the TradeLift simplifies tasks by allowing for precise adjustments. It is designed to reduce injury risks while improving efficiency, making it a must-have for DIYers and professionals alike. The Pudu SH1 is a revolutionary smart upright scrubber dryer that reduces water and cleaning agent usage by 80% while cutting cleaning time by 70%. Its high-pressure motor effectively tackles even the toughest stains, and the air-solid-liquid separation system makes waste disposal simple. The SH1 is equipped with attachments for cleaning vertical surfaces, such as windows and mirrors, making it a versatile tool for commercial or residential use. You also receive detailed cleaning reports to track efficiency and performance. The SKIL Twist is a rechargeable screwdriver with a unique pivotal design that locks in 3 positions, improving ergonomics in tight spaces. It features a forward and reverse trigger, 3 torque settings, and an LED light for added visibility. Its USB-C charging port ensures convenient recharging, making it a reliable and versatile tool for home repairs or assembly tasks. The Fanttik T1 Max is a highly efficient soldering iron kit, equipped with C210 rapid heating tip that heats up in just 7 seconds. It offers both wireless and wired modes for flexible use, with an intelligent gravity sensing feature that triggers sleep mode when not in use. With 6 adjustable temperature settings, the T1 Max is ideal for precision soldering tasks. The Xiaomi portable electric air compressor is a compact, powerful device, perfect for inflating car tires, bikes, and other inflatables. Its rechargeable battery allows you to inflate up to 10 tires on a single charge, and its 6 preset inflation modes make it versatile for different tasks. The LED display shows real-time pressure readings, and the auto shut-off feature prevents overinflation for safe, efficient operation. The INGCO wall grooving machine is a powerful 1500 watt tool designed for creating grooves in walls for electrical wiring or plumbing. It offers adjustable depth and width settings, making it versatile for various building materials, and the lock-on button ensures comfortable, long-duration use. This tool is perfect for contractors, electricians, and DIY enthusiasts. For those in need of a powerful yet lightweight cleaning solution, the WORX cordless stick vacuum is perfect for multi-surface cleaning. Equipped with 25 kilopascals suction power and a 3-speed control, it handles pet hair, dust and stubborn debris with ease. Its cyclonic filtration system captures even the finest particles, while its 5.5 pounds weight makes it easy to maneuver. The LED lights provide visibility in darker spaces, making this vacuum perfect for cleaning cars, upholstery, floors and more. The Seika contour gauge is an indispensable tool for anyone working with complex shapes. Whether you're fitting tiles, laminates or carpets, this tool allows for precise duplication of shapes by locking its teeth into place for accurate tracing every time. Ideal for modeling, carpentry and bodywork on vehicles, the adjustable tightness feature ensures you get the perfect fit for your project. The DEWALT Max XR cordless drill is a versatile and powerful tool designed for professionals and DIYers alike. With speeds of up to 2000 RPM and an adjustable LED light, this tool excels in dark workspaces. It comes with 2 speed settings for enhanced control, a 5 ampere-hour battery, and a durable storage bag. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal or plastic, the DEWALT drill ensures high performance in any environment. Never get stuck with a dead car battery again with the NOCO Boost HD GB70. This compact but powerful jump starter provides 2000 amperes of power, enough for up to 40 jump starts on a single charge. It's suitable for gas engines up to 8 litres and diesel engines up to 6 litres. The multifunction device also serves as a power bank for smartphones and includes a 400 lumen LED flashlight with various modes. The Toro Recycler self-propelled lawn mower is a high-performance mower with personal pace auto-drive technology that adjusts to your walking speed. Its 22-inch cutting width covers more ground, and the Vortex technology boosts performance for cleaner cuts. The Super Bagger makes lifting and disposing of grass clippings easier than ever, and the brushless DC motor ensures maximum power while requiring minimal maintenance. The Viking arm cabinet installation kit is the perfect tool for solo installation of wall cabinets. With the ability to lift up to 50 kilograms per kit, it allows for precise alignment, giving you the freedom to work independently and efficiently. The non-slip and non-scratch base pads protect surfaces while allowing easy lifting and holding of heavy items like cabinets or appliances. It's an essential tool for kitchen installation, carpentry, and heavy-duty DIY projects. The BILT hard log splitter offers 6.5 tons of splitting pressure, making it a powerful tool for cutting through large logs effortlessly. Its electric motor is environmentally friendly, eliminating emissions while offering quiet operation. With sturdy transport wheels and a compact design, this log splitter is easily maneuverable over rough terrain, ideal for anyone working in forestry, farming, or home heating. For heavy lifting applications, the DEWALT GRABO lifter is a must-have. Powered by an electric vacuum pump, it can lift materials like glass, tiles, metal, and even semi-porous materials with a capacity of up to 265 pounds. Its digital pressure gauge and automatic pump control ensure a secure grip, while the built-in 20 volts battery provides extended operation. Whether you're in construction or installation, this tool significantly reduces manual labor and enhances safety. The HiKOKI cordless caulking gun is a highly efficient tool for dispensing high viscosity adhesives and sealants. It features a gear speed dial for precise control, a 3,000 newtons dispensing force, and a built-in LED light for working in dark environments. This cordless model makes it easy to work with hardened sealants, making it perfect for professional caulking applications in construction and home improvement. The CARKU JS506 combines a powerful jump starter and a tire inflator in one compact device. With 1,800 amperes of peak current, it jump starts most vehicles easily and comes with an integrated 12,000 mAh battery. The built-in air pump inflates tires up to 150 psi, making it the ideal all-in-one emergency tool for on-the-go car maintenance. The BILT hard cement mixer is built for heavy-duty commercial use with a 500-watt motor and a 4 cubic feet drum capacity. It's designed to handle stucco, mortar, and concrete and can be used for agricultural tasks like feed mixing. The sturdy polydrum resists cracks and dents, while the flat-free tires and powder-coated steel frame ensure durability and easy transport across uneven terrain. The INGCO fuel transfer pump simplifies fuel transfer with an auto-stop feature to prevent overflows. Capable of transferring up to 3.2 gallons per minute, it works with gasoline, diesel, kerosene, or non-potable water. The universal adapters fit most drum sizes, and the locking clip secures the nozzle for hands-free operation. It's ideal for mechanics, outdoor enthusiasts, and automotive use. The Hozo Ruler Gyo is a digital tape measure designed for precision and versatility. It can measure linear distances, curves, and even irregular surfaces with high accuracy. With its customizable scale settings, it's perfect for architects, interior designers, and DIY projects. The compact, pocket-friendly design and laser measurement technology make it a convenient tool for quick and accurate measurements in any environment. The INGCO heating gun is a versatile tool, perfect for tasks like paint removal, shrink wrapping, loosening rusted bolts, and more. With 3 temperature settings ranging from 50 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius and a 300 to 500 litre per minute airflow rate, it offers flexibility for a wide range of applications. The ergonomic handle reduces strain during extended use, and the overload protector ensures a longer lifespan. This heating gun is ideal for home improvement and industrial use alike.